we will share with you some of the history and philosophy of Jin Shin, where it comes from, why it works, and how it works. The major portion of this program will show you how you can incorporate the practice of Jin Shin in your life. The essence of Jin Shin is not solely its application as a technique. It is truly an art. Whereas technique is imitative, art is creative. Jin Shin is more than a technique of application. It is a way of being. Translated, Jin is the knowing and compassionate human. Shin means the creator, and Jyutsu means art. By following the procedures demonstrated, beneficial and profound changes can become a significant part of your life in helping yourself and others. Jin Shin is truly the art of happiness, the art of longevity, and the art of benevolence. Jin Shin simplifies the complexities of life or living. Through Jin Shin, our awareness is awakened to harmony, balance, and rhythm with the universe, spiritually, mentally, emotionally, and physically. Through this awareness, the feelings of complete peace, security, serenity, and the oneness within becomes evident. All fears, the basis of all disharmony, begin to dissipate one by one, and all unnecessary burdens are unloaded from our shoulders to make way for complete harmony within and without. The understanding of Jin Shin reveals our main universal revitalizing energy, which follows a circulatory pattern. This energy descends the front and ascends the back of the body. It is our source of life. This universal energy revitalizes all of our individual energy circulation patterns. The rhythm of this energy cannot be altered, but personal rhythm can be altered, knowingly or unknowingly. The practice of Jin Shin helps to restore balance and harmony.